Brigitte from Fit Working Mom with Sammy, and tonight we're going to show you how to make pumpkin fritters. So we're going to explain now how it's made, but we're literally going to be using the easiest ingredients and cut it down to basically 10 to 15 minutes prep, and then we're off to pan fry them. So you're going to buy just a packet of pre-mixed flapjacks, some steam in the bag pumpkin, and we're going to add a little bit of peanut butter to taste because it's one of his favorite things, and peanut butter also gives a nice nutty flavor to the recipe. Let's get a spoon. So we've already pre-mixed the mixture over here with all the peanut butter, the milk, and the 1 egg. As I mentioned, we just halved the mixture, and we're gonna pop the pumpkin into the microwave for, I think it's about how many minutes? 15 minutes. We're gonna pop this in the microwave, and then we're gonna wait for it to cool down a little bit before we put it into the mixture that we've already prepared. What also works well is if you leave the mixture for about 30 minutes just to give it time to rise and blend in with the flavors. After this has cooled down for give it say 20 minutes or so, we're going to add this mixture in here. I love you too, boy. So I'm going to stick this in the microwave. And then when this comes out the oven, microwave oven, you can just chuck it in a little Tupperware and blend the whole gedoentjie with a stick blender. Then once it's cooled down, you're just going to mix it with this. Okay, so my pan is a little bit small. I'm going to start off with 2 little flapjacks. Joining a bit. Okay, so Sammy, here's your pumpkin fritters that you wanted, or that you didn't want, because you didn't want them earlier, because Mommy said there was going to be pumpkin, but you changed your mind now. Okay?
I want this.
You do want this now.
Yes.
So Sammy is the most fussy eater that I know. He doesn't eat his vegetables.
Is that you?
No, you don't. But he is going to show us if he likes this or not. Let's put some xylitol syrup on.
Ooh.
Yummy.
Yummy. Honey.
So
I
take
love
a bite and tell us if you like it. What do you think? Hmm? What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Is it delicious? Okay, so it's a thumbs up from you. Hey Sam? Is it? Can I see your thumbs up? Thanks. And what did Mommy say is important to tell people?
You doggies mustn't eat violet.
Xylitol. The doggies mustn't eat xylitol because it's poisonous for doggies.
Cause it's honey.
With xylitol in it. So always remember that xylitol is very poisonous for dogs.
But
And even in small quantities it can be very harmful. So whatever you do, make sure xylitol, even in small dosages of food, don't get to your animals, dogs.